Hi, I'll gonna share something about factors affecting efficiency of wind turbines. The performance of wind turbines depends on following five major factors. First one is wind power, second altitude, third obstruction, fourth blade aerodynamics, fifth one is air temperature. First, wind power. The faster the wind speed and the stronger the wind force, the greater the amount of power generated by a wind turbine. Different regions have different wind speeds. Therefore, it's vital to understand the relationship between wind speeds with power production. The relationship between wind speed with wind power production is P is equal to K into Vf, where P is equal to wind power, V is equal to wind speed, F is equal to wind force, K is constant. Second one is altitude. The places of higher altitudes have faster wind speed due to various atmospheric factors. Higher places also have lesser obstructions from the surrounding hills, trees, and buildings. Wind speed increases by 12% as the distance between the turbines and the ground is doubled. Third one is obstruction. Wind is slowed by trees, buildings, hills, and mountains, which all create some form of friction that restrict free airflow. It is wise to measure the wind speed at a proposed site for at least 1 year to determine project viability. Fourth one is blade aerodynamics. The shape of the blade should be accurately selected for getting maximum efficiency. The amount of lift for a given airfoil depends heavily on the angle that it makes with the direction of the relative wind. It's known as angle of attack. When angle of attack gets too large, turbulence develops and drag increases significantly while lift is lost. The fifth one is air temperature. The power form of a wind turbine will increases almost 16% as the temperature drops from plus 20 degrees Celsius to minus 20 degrees Celsius for any given wind speed. Colder air is denser and increases power output. Thank you.